Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the water lock mode on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the upper button, and after you wake up the screen on the watch, you can swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here swipe left on the screen to go to the next page, and right here in the bottom right corner we have the icon with the water droplets on it. That's the water lock icon, water lock mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. You'll get these droplets on the screen. That means that the water lock mode is enabled. And to disable it, you need to press and hold the upper button. Then wait until the sound stops. And then you can also shake the watch to shake off the excess water, my bad. You can also enable the water lock mode through settings. So let's open the settings. And settings, scroll down, tap on advanced features, and here we have water lock. Tap on it, tap on the switch to enable it, and again to disable it, press and hold the upper button and wait until the sound stops. You can also skip the sound by pressing the upper button if you want to. Okay, and that's how you enable the water lock mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.